Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Driver Completely Ignores Train Crossing Gate, Instantly Regrets It.
Gut, kann er ganz sicher später mit seinem Karl nicht machen, sicher morgen zu gehen.
Ooh!
Whoa!
On January 9th, 2025, released video captured the moment a Bright Line train struck a vehicle that unlawfully entered a railroad crossing. Authorities say the driver drove through lowered crossing gates as warning lights were actively flashing, ignoring multiple safety signals meant to stop traffic. Seconds later, the high-speed train collided with a car, leaving no time for the operator to avoid impact. Police officials confirmed the crash was the result of the driver's failure to obey the crossing arms and signals. Officials are urging the public to never drive around lowered gates, emphasizing that these safety measures exist to prevent tragedies, and ignoring them can lead to devastating consequences.
What is it? What is it?
He's an idiot.
Flyer arrival. Take off your seatbelt. Take off your seatbelt. Can you take off your seatbelt?
That train wasn't phased one bit, boy.
He hit you at the sitting right here. What hit him? The car hit him, and his car hit yours, right?
Yeah. Train.
Yeah.
He was going eastbound.
Was going that way?
He was going this way. And the train
The train going that way, right?
Yeah,
the train was going that way.
this way. And fucking hit him.
The bright line, all right. Yeah, I got him in the, yeah, dude, it's like the fifth one I come. Yeah, it's like the fifth one. They got him in the back, though. He got lucky to hit him in the back.
This way. Where does he hit him?
Yeah, he's coming eastbound.
If you don't want to go with us, you want to go to the hospital with us?
My wife is coming, but she's
Okay.
I have some things in the
Right now
car.
he says no, his wife is coming for him.
I have some things in the car. Can I take them out?
I'll grab it for you. What is it?
Wife is coming for him. He need to be going to jail.
Brochures for one side in the back seat, no, the front seat, in the passenger side, and my glasses should be there somewhere.
Okay. I'll get you by the bag.
Papa, you have your license on you?
I gave it to somebody. I gave it.
You guys?
They didn't give it back to me. I gave it back.
Yeah. You might have it there with the tablet.
Yeah, he was in the car.
Yeah, license.
I got his ID. Let me scan it first.
Okay, go ahead. I'll get it now. You just start laying down.
We're gonna give it back to you.
Yeah, you just start laying down. I'm gonna go get the handicap for you. Kahina.
Put in the notes already. You have his?
Yeah, can you add it to the note for me? Here. The DL and this is the tag.
Let me take a picture of it.
Take a picture.
Let me take a picture of it. Let me take a picture of it. I can't understand it.
Or these two. Do me a favor. Do me a case card before he leaves.
Go on the radio, just get a case number real quick.
Yeah.
I got you.
Give me a case card and give me a tow slip. You call your insurance, let them know that you were involved in a car crash, and you give them this number, okay? Okay. They're gonna ask you questions. You're wearing a seatbelt, whatever, the red light, how fast you're going. Okay. They'll get the report before you do. You want a copy of the report, the physical copy stating the narrative. You go to the station right here on 19 and 169 and get a copy of it. They automatically, if you want the actual physical paper. Okay. But the insurance get the report before you do. All right.
Okay. Now, is this something I have to like do a deductible on, or do you know, or?
Most likely, if you want them, how bad was the damage? I don't know.
I mean, it's dead. It's a big scratch on it.
It's a big scratch.
Yeah.
And you want the insurance to get involved?
I don't know yet. That's why I say if I can get it.
Yeah, because if you want the insurance to get involved, you'll probably have to pay the deductible. Okay, yeah. And then the other thing will be working it out with him.
That ain't a question you ask the cop. The cop don't know. That's a question you ask your insurance company. I mean, they're going to give you the option. You don't have to go with your insurance, but his insurance, the person that hit you insurance should cover it. That, you know, that's how that goes, you know.
But he's already gone.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'll be up to you if you don't want to get the insurance involved.
Okay.
So well, you have to decide right now because we will have to put you in the report.
Okay. All right.
So
Well, I'll do that.
all right. The insurance then?
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank
You're gonna go. You guys been through this before?
What's that?
You guys been through this before?
Yeah, sorry about that. Plenty of time.
All right. So just in your own words, what happened?
So we were coming northbound, West Main, approximately 79 miles an hour. So I don't know, black breeze, black, whatever that was. Like he came around the exit gate, we struck him in the middle of the crossing. So enough time to go, oh shit, that was it.
Yeah.
He was traveling,
Someone's dash cam actually got it.
oh nice, nice.
That train not phased one bit, boy.
Hey, you started a toll already or no? No, I haven't started a toll. No, I just gave him the case card right now. I'm gonna go right now the toll. Okay, where's he at? Can you get us in, please? To issue citations. Okay. So there's 2 citations. All right. One is for careless, and the second one is for failure to abide by the railroad. Okay. It's easy. Okay. You have 3 options. All right. It's explains to you right here in detail. All right. You can pay the fine. Explains to you right here how to do it. Second, you can go to traffic school. Or third, you can call this number right here. All right. And you give them the citations number, which is right here in the top. Okay. And you can schedule a court hearing. You want to do that? That's not a problem. I'd rather.
You know how much is there?
It'll explain to you here, but there's a website you go to. But honestly, like,
I'm not gonna fight. I mean, I had a senile moment. Listen, I saw the green light. I didn't see the value.
yeah,
How that happened? I'm 71 years old. I don't know.
of course.
I joke a lot about senile moments during the day. I hate that one.
Okay. Well, yeah, man. But I'm just glad that you're okay. You know, because it could have been a lot worse, and we see this every single. At least once a month. So I'm just happy.
You don't have to convince yourself.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Despite the severity of the crash, police issued 2 traffic citations and no arrest was made. For many, that outcome raises questions about accountability, especially when investigators confirmed the crossing gates and warning lights were clearly active at the time of impact.
Yeah, I don't. Whatever. It's a bullshit outcome, man. Yeah, they take a couple tickets. You know, I mean, come on, man. That should be treated the same as a car accident. You know, something like that. Somebody going to jail. An accident that bad like that, somebody going to jail. You know, but it's because it's a train and the train is made out of steel and there's no damage to the train. They continued on with whatever, you know. It's just an idiot, man. Freaking idiot. Anyways, yeah, so overall I get a cost 5 out of 5. You know, I guess they did their job and whatever, you know. Give him a couple tickets because he's an older guy. That's the only thing I could think of. But as far as what they did at the scene, though, interviewing everybody and everything, great job. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.